If suffering is inevitable, is happiness merely a temporary distraction? Ako baliktad ang tingin ko. I think suffering is a distraction. For the most part, I think it's happiness that is really inevitable. Kasi kahit san ka tumingin, change mo lang yung mindset mo. Makikita mo yung kaligayahan eh. Kahit sa simpleng bagay. The fact that you're able to see the sun, the fact that you're able to wake up to another day, that in itself is a cause for joy. Not just happiness, but really a deeply felt joy in your heart, right? Pero suffering is there and it's inevitable kasi nga binaliktad ko eh. I think suffering is inevitable. Kasi kung walang suffering, hindi mo din makikita at malalaman sa sarili mo kung ano ba yung happiness, ano ba yung joy, ano ba yung kasiyahan na nararamdaman mo.